Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to compare 80 versus 8 Pro. If you haven't checked out our 80 giveaway video, you can get the link in description. Go from there and participate. Thanks for your love and support. Coming to this video, and we are going to compare 8 Pro versus 80 camera samples and speed test, and here are some camera samples. You could see 80 images on the left side and 8 Pro images on the right side. 80 doesn't capture the natural colors, 8 Pro captures the natural colors and the better depth and better detailings than 80. So clearly we can say the 8 Pro is winner for camera test. And coming to the next part, we are going to compare some Geekbench scores. Let's run the Geekbench test first. It will take few minutes and let's check the scores. I'm expecting the scores to be around 900. As you know, 80 performed around 890. So here are the scores: 891 on single core for 80 and 878 on 8 Pro. This is surprising. I could see the 8 Pro bugs haven't cleared it. They need to fix this as soon as possible. Let's try the AnTuTu benchmark test. 80 loaded up faster than 8 Pro, and let's start the test. The test has begun, and let's hope for the best results. 8 Pro is about to complete the test, and we have scored 4,28,000 on the 8 Pro. This is not the 8 Pro kind of score. It needs to be around 6 lakh, but it doesn't due to the bugs they have got in 8 Pro. Let's see how they are going to fix this, and we are about to finish the 80 scores too. So this would be around 5,50,000. So let's see the score, and here we go. It is 5,85,000. So clearly 80 is better on AnTuTu benchmark score. This is surprising, right? This is due to their bugs on 8 Pro. Okay, let's leave it aside and let's go for the 3D mark test. And here we go. Both of them are opened at the same time, so no difference. Let's run the test now. Let's click on the play button. Yes, it will load up the 3D video, and the frames would be around 25 frames. Both of them have got the same kind of experience. The display would be better in 8 Pro, but the frames would be same. You could see 80 has beaten 3D mark test too, so this is surprising, right? I don't know why this is happening with 8 Pro. These are the scores on all the 3 times 80 has won. Let's start the speed test with Instagram. Both of them are loaded at the same time. Slightly 8 Pro is better than 80. Let's try the Temple Run. 8 Pro has loaded a bit faster than 80. Yes, 8 Pro is faster than 80. Let's try the shopping app Flipkart. 8 Pro is faster than 80. You could see 8 Pro is performing better than 80 in spite of their bad scores. So hill climb racing, both are same, not a huge difference, so they are on same track. Let's try the shopping app Amazon. Here we go. 80 is faster now. Let's try the Among Us. This is small app, but let's see. Both of them are same. Oops, let me close it. I personally don't like cover display, so it's a problem with me, so ignore it. And here we go, the heavy game PUBG. 80 loaded faster than 8 Pro. Let's see the complete load. Yes, 80 is opening faster than 8 Pro. 8 Pro didn't open the account. PUBG got banned in India, so this account got banned, so let's leave it aside, and let's try YouTube now. So here we go, let's tap on YouTube. Both of them are same, not big difference at all. Okay, let's try Netflix now. 8 Pro is faster. Let's close it. Let's see the apps, whatever are left in background, what are reloaded. Mostly 8 Pro wouldn't be loading all the apps. And here is the Antutu. Both of them are got reloaded, they haven't kept in background. Okay, let's close it. Let's try Instagram. Both of them are kept in background. Let's close it. Let's try the Antutu benchmark now. Yep, both of them got reloaded. Let's close it. And 3D Mark, they have kept in background. Temple Run, kept in background. These are some small apps compared to the PUBG like heavy games, so not a big difference. Flipkart is in background too, and Hill Climb, this is also in background, haven't closed. It's not been a while, right? So obviously they won't be closing. And let's see the Amazon. Yes, they have kept in background. Let's close it. And let's see Among Us, kept in background. Let's close it. Here's the PUBG. Both of them are kept in background, and here is the best thing. If PUBG is able to kept in background, that's a good deal. YouTube, yes, this is also in background. Finally Netflix, so this is also in background. Finally we have completed all the speed test and background tests, so you could see both of them are performing better. And if you have interest in curved display, you could go for 8 Pro, but I won't suggest, as it got few bugs to be cleared. So I would say clearly 8 is the winner for now, unless the updates come for 8 Pro. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.